The services we provide in general are everything that has to do with the maintenance, care, renting, accounting for a building. So our team digs in, they make sure that the property is properly taken care of, that it's functioning, that the tenant's being held accountable. We find the tenant. We do a lot of research on the tenant to make sure we're getting a long-term, secure tenant that will stay with us and honor their commitment. If anything does go wrong, we're always there to help enforce the lease and to make changes. But by doing all the work up front, we usually don't see any problems there. And then again, the biggest plan for in a property management relationship is what kind of capital expenditures can we anticipate having to come forward in the next 5, 10, 15 years, and making sure we have a financial plan so that there are no surprises.